Hello everyone. In my last video, you studied the composition and importance of air. Now let us know about different layers of the atmosphere. You would be amazed to know that the temperature of the atmosphere is not the same everywhere. And on that basis, the atmosphere of the earth can be divided into 5 layers. Let us start from the bottom layer, which is near the earth's surface. It is known as troposphere. Above troposphere, we have stratosphere, then we have mesosphere, then thermosphere, and the last one is exosphere that meets in space. Let us learn about each layer in detail. The first one is the troposphere. It is the lowermost layer and is closest to the Earth's surface. Its average height is 13 km. The temperature of this layer decreases with increasing height. The height of this layer varies with latitudes. It is roughly 8 km near the poles and about 18 km over the equator. This layer is the most important layer of the atmosphere. Do you know why? It is because the air we breathe exists here. Water vapor and dust particles are found only in this layer, which is essential for the formation of clouds and occurring of precipitation. Almost all the weather phenomenon, for example, clouds, fog, thunder, lightning, and hailstorm, occur in this layer. Thus, you can say it is of utmost importance. Now come to the second layer of the atmosphere, that is stratosphere. It extends up to a height of 50 kilometers. The temperature of this layer remains constant up to a height of about 20 kilometers and then increases with increasing height. Do you know why? Because of ozonosphere, that is the part of stratosphere. It contains ozone gas, which absorbs ultraviolet light radiated by the sun and raise the temperature of this layer. As it absorbs ultraviolet rays, it reduces human exposure to harmful radiation and protects us from sunburn and skin cancer. Hope this much is clear to you. The other important feature of this layer is that it is best suited for flying planes. Can you guess why? Because it is free from clouds. So pilots do not have any turbulence, which is common in the troposphere below. I hope you got my point. Now let us go to the next one, that is mesosphere. The mesosphere lies above the stratosphere from about 50 kilometers to 80 kilometers above the mean sea level. This layer is the coldest layer of the atmosphere. It is because the temperature decreases with height and reaches about minus 100 degrees Celsius at the height of 80 kilometers. Another important feature of this layer is burning up of meteors, which come from outer space. But why do they burn up in this layer only? It is because mesosphere has enough gases which cause friction and create heat to burn up the meteors. Hope all these features of the mesosphere are clear to you. Now come to the fourth layer of the atmosphere, that is thermosphere. The thermosphere lies above the mesosphere. It extends from about 80 kilometers to about 400 kilometers above the mean sea level. In this layer, the temperature increases rapidly with the increase in height. It reaches more than 1500 degrees Celsius. One of the important features of this layer is that it helps in radio transmission. So you can say in long distance communication, it helps. But how? Actually, in this layer, satellites are placed which orbit the Earth. They reflect low frequency radio waves back to Earth and makes space communication possible. Isn't it amazing? Now let us know about the last one, that is exosphere. The exosphere is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. The density of air is very low, due to which this layer has very thin air. Very light gases like hydrogen and helium are found in this layer. The temperature increases with height and may reach 4,500 degrees Celsius. The exosphere merges gradually into outer space. So children, now you know about all 5 layers of atmosphere. That's all you had to study under the structure of the atmosphere. In the next video, we will continue with the topic weather and climate. Do subscribe my channel and get notifications about upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.